Gama Evangelista has been a solid defender right there. And Joe Gomez de Leon. Ngayon, nasa Abra na. Mactalio, step back three. No. Tolentino, the putback.
Ang depensa dito sa fast break.
Castellano to Gomez de Leon. Oh, he's starting out hot here. Tolentino with another rebound. That's his third rebound. Tolentino layup. He will get the roll.
Kaya if I were Coach Tan, gagawin ko rin yan.
Miscommunication there. Takbo ulit ang Abra. Chavez squeezing himself through traffic. Tan has to put it up. Good box out again from Montuano. Takbo ang Abra. Tolentino nakabuelo. Good pick from Prince Caperal. And
Yeah, he's very passionate talagang in helping this team.
that's a no-go. Clemente leaking out. And that's an easy two. Masco to Landayan. 12 to 10. Landayan for three. That's the third triple para sa Marikina. Now the three becoming a weapon, but where's the D on the contributor para sa team na to?
You know na talagang magko-contribute itong si Clemente even in that fourth quarter.
Oh, Clint. Here's Landayan. Umatake. Could not get the bounce. Mabigat with a jumper. That's good. Fine for Undo. Play broken up. Takbo Marikina. Landayan. Good look inside for Abra. And a lovely floater. The handle again. Gomez de Leon, Mosqueda. Inside they go, and that's... There's the drive and the basket.
Drive for Escoto in a basket.
Caperal, no go. Chavez inside. And
Wow, the smallest guy.
Darwin Junicio and Chavez, but he loves this challenge. He actually practiced first with Abra, thinking he would be a weaver, but he feels like it's his time, the time to be a main character. Sinabi rin niya that yes.
5.
Comboy, good job defensively there. Talio to Comboy, the extra pass to Recto.
Wow. Talagang gusto mo masundan. YouTube na lang pero you know,
Ang napaganda dito is that, you know, you have access to the game. That's a miss from Gama Evangelista. And again, 5 to 29. Inside they go. Gamis, drop pass to Fabro.
And he was able to deliver that assist to his teammates.
Prince Charming, Clint Escamis.
Kinilig si Ate Mix dun sa team.
Marami tayo. Tolentino. Oh, another great pass inside. 43 to 34. Abra ahead. Fabro. Feeling it. That's good.
Wow.
46 to 34. Biggest lead para dito sa Abra. Tan looking to change that, and he cuts the lead to Tolentino. Inside. Could not convert. Rebound. Masco. Escamis to Fabro.
Grabe yung efficiency nito.
Castellano drives and banks it in.
Yung potential ng team, I guess, wala pa halfway, wala pa.
Mayor, alam ko lagi kayo nagpupunta sa practices, sa mga games. Ano ang lagi niyong reminder sa boys sa dugout?
Wala. Won't work again. Escoto. Three-pointer, Joe Gomez.
Skill set of Mac Talio.
53-46. Casajeros. Nandayan. Bangilista. Nandayan gets it back. To the corner. That's good. Three-pointer for
Or maybe 7 minutes in that first half.
Pastoran. Nails the three.
Pangatlong 3-pointer lang ng Abra yan.
For a team that has plenty of shooters. And speaking of shooting, Pastoran. Turnaround shot, that's good. J-Boy Pastoran. Third quarter played at such a frenetic pace here.
I was gonna say that bilis ng pace para ako'y napapagod.
Ganun dito usually. Casajeros. Umatake and he scores. He's ahead. Eliane. Hit a three earlier. Joe Gomez Eliane. Eliane gets it back. Tan cuts. Extra pass. Kuya Marlon Basco puts it in.
Wow. With the first 2 points of the game.
Comboy. Binigay kay Escamis. Escamis jumper. That's good. Comboy. The runner off the glass and in. Osqueda. Casajeros. Skips through the D and scores off the glass and in. Ania Comboy. Escamis turns on the Jets, drops it off to Tolentino for two.
For putting up this team.
And you know, it's very rare na, you know, when you're having a team, quarter scoring muna tayo dito. 19, 29, and 22 for Abra. 17, 24. Finds Eloy Tan, free for three. Too strong. Castellano, not get that one to go. Escamis, ahead to Chavez.
Para dito kay Chavez.
7.
Sorry, 7 points. Para dito kay Chavez.
Here's Tan. And Diane. Back to Eloy Tan. Escamis. Great defense, but Tan sinks the jumper.
Paralo with 7 points, first 3-pointer of the ball game for him.
A big swing there. You know, Marikina could have been down by only 2. Now they're down by 8 again. Casajeros, yes. 10 points now for Raymond Casajeros. 75-69. Under 7 minutes remaining. Talio. The kick out to Chavez. Chavez banks it in.
Beautiful teardrop para dito kay Chavez.
Eloy Tan again.
Parang silang dalawang nagba.
Joe Gomez Eliano on the run. Joe. Casajeros. That's good.
13 points.
Para kay Casajeros. Now Abra now locked into another tight duel, this time against Marikina. Talio. Montuano with the pick. Talio with the 3. Yes!
Wow. Very
Parang ano
close,
yun eh,
close
parang pat-through na yun eh. Parang pat-through na pag nagmintis ka ng...
Pero pag pustahan, hindi, pakimark yan.
Casajeros floored. Talio. Yes!
Oh my God.
Casajeros with a rebound. Can Marikina respond? Joe. Ho, ho, ho! 83-77. Chance for Marikina to make it a one-possession game. Abra already over the limit. Three-pointer. That's good.
tataob na itong, magpo-fold na itong Marikina. Biglang meron tayong ganyang tira
Oo.
from Eric Pili.
6 of 26 from beyond the arc ang Abra. Marikina, 10 of 29. That's the three-point shooting has been keeping them alive here. And Mac Talio. Lagi itong Abra every time Marikina has come up with a run. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Game X. Dito sa Phil Oil Eco Center. 6-point game. Marikina with the basketball. Eric Pili. They go to Iliane. Eloy Tan. Three-pointer. Wala. Recto. Ahead to Caperal. And he gets the 2 points. Scored the last 4 points for Abra. Tan. Eliane. Yes.
Times not on Marikina side. 8-point lead. Itong meron tong Abra Weavers.
Talio. Pinapahirapan ni Casajeros. Mac Talio. Oh, the Pinoy step. Oo. Talio. 7 on the shot clock. Mac for 3. Too strong. Recto.
Wow, just sky.
Caperal. Now with Recto. 3-second differential game clock and shot clock. Recto. Three-pointer. Yes! Eloy Tan pulls up. No. Gio Tolentino secures the rebound and that will do it.